Hey, Savvy Shippers. I'm here to show you the new filtering that we have in place for marketplace orders. So when you come up to your shipping selection screen, you come over here to shipping and select all your orders. You have a filtering option up here at the top. Here you now have the ability to filter by integration store. So when you select this drop down, you'll see the various stores that you have available. And you'll select one of those stores, press apply, and then you will see only the orders from that particular store. The value of this is when you're processing orders across a whole bunch of stores, maybe you want to focus on one location at a time. You want to focus on your Canadian location before your US location, or your apparel location before your general consumer goods location, or however you have your business set up. Now you have the ability to come in here and press filter, select integration store, press apply, work on all of those orders as you need to, come back up, change the filters, and carry on with your day. Hope this helps.